Brown out? Pero nga na naisuga mo silingan. Hala, ulam di ko kabayad.
Sounds familiar? It happens. Sometimes we get so busy that we forget about our due date. But the good thing is, there's a simple process to get your power back. Ako day si B. Gaga from CDN Digital. O karon, atong hisgutan, together with Visayan Electric, unsay atong buhaton kung maputlan ta og kuryente o unsaon nato pag-reconnect.
Jimnard Leonor from Metering Support Department and handling disconnection, reconnection, and our cooperation here at Visayan Electric Company. First, the most common reason is the non-payment of bills. Second is the unpaid arrears or unpaid from the previous balance nga wala gisettle ni customer. And third is the unposted bounce check, which is pabalik na siya kay once nga ma-validate from the banks or ma-dishonored upon payment ni customer nga walay sulod. So usa na ang reason nga maputlan. And third is the violation of contract. And then number fourth is for the safety reason, especially if natay makita ngadto sa site nga baka cause of any harm or accidents sa mga tao. And lastly is the promissory note or the broken pay plan or broken payment arrangement from the customer. Disconnection typically happens at least 2 days or 48 hours after the due date of the second bill. First, Visayan Electric delivered the first bill. Indicate na siya as the first notice to customer to inform, to settle the first payment of the monthly bill. So, ang si Visayan Electric nagahina siya og 9 days grace period before the due date. But mo na siya first initial notice pa na siya. But we will not disconnect the electric service of the customer as of that, but we will apply the surcharge automatic for the first month. And then for the second month, if still the customer nga wala gyapon mo bayad sa iyang second bill, but once the customer receive the bill after 48 hours or 2 days, we can implement to disconnect the service of the customer. First, the customer will settle the total outstanding balance. So, and then they will go to the nearest service center from ang mga payment channels provided by the Visayan Electric. So, they will pay the total outstanding balance plus the updated bill deposit so that they can proceed for the reconnection. Customer can do both siya through online or matusla sa ato ang payment center. But mostly magod kani nga case is once nga si customer nga maputlan na, dapat yun mas provided, dapat maadto gid siya sa ato ang service center. Kay just because nga to clear nga i-check niya yung total outstanding balance plus the updated bill deposit requirements. Naa sila nga to sa service center to prove nga nakabayad na sila sa ilahang total payables or the total outstanding balance, and then na-validate na po sa ato ang CSR representative ang sa bill deposit nga iyahang dapat bayran. Ang kanang bill deposit nagrepresent na siya sa iyahang average consumption sa iyahang at least 3 months. Kay kana magong bill deposit dili na sa ingon nga kuan sa kanang processing fee. Mostly mga may thinking sa mga tao nga naputlan si customer and then ay processing fee, which is dili na siya. Ang bill deposit is requirements na siya kay nakadako ang iyang consumption pod, so nakadako ang iyang bayranan. So mao na ato ang basis nga nganong top up ta sa equivalent ana nga month as nga dapat i-require niya ni customer. At least 24 hours or within a day or same day recorrection. But regardless if naatay mga something nga nang matimingan nga kanang naay mga typhoons or kusog ang ulan, so kana siya accepted lang ta, but ato gyapon paningkamutan nga ma-energize gid si customer. Customer can manage the monthly electricity expenses by efficient use of their appliances, and then monitoring of their monthly bills, especially for their daily consumption. So dapat nila ma-check always ang ilang ginagamit and ma-monitor pod ni customer pod. So the tips nga ako ang ma-advise nila is to turn off and unplug when not in use. Customer also need to to replace all the kadanging mga bombilya sa ato ang atong mga tag-as kay wattage mas maayo. Mo replace sila og atong mga LED lights, which is nga makasave and more efficient pa siya to use and makasave pa gyud siya sa ato ang electricity. Mostly of the electric utilities as of now, we have the application which ato ang ma-download karon sa Google Play Store. So like the Visayan Electric nga natay mobile AP, which is we can monitor all the monthly consumption ni customer. So naa ko'y copy diri So ako lang nang gilista kay daghan kay tag contact nga means nga unsa na to contact si Visayan Electric. So customer can reach the Visayan Electric through its 24/7 hotline at our 230-8326, and then we have also our mobile number 0919-056-8236, or we can email at the info@visayanelectric.com or to our official Facebook page, or in-person assistance also available at our various service centers like our Banawa Central Service, the Park Mall Service, the Jacosalin, the Liloan Poblacion Service Centers, the Tabonog, and the Naga Service Centers.
Hi! Salamat! Nakabayad na jud ko. There you have it, mga kasiloy. If you ever experience a power disconnection, just settle your bill and reach out to Visayan Electric for reconnection assistance. And remember, prevention is always better than cure. By staying on top of your payment and being mindful of your energy use, you can enjoy uninterrupted power at home. Big thanks to Mr. Jim Nardonor, Supervisor of the Metering Support Department of Visayan Electric, for walking us through the process. Once again, this has been B. Galgo from CDN Digital, powering Cebu forward with Visayan Electric. Till next time, mga kasiloy!